These products are very much affordable and it's going to help you with your white patch. Hey guys, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Fancy. If this is your first time of coming across this pretty face, welcome to this channel. In this channel, we do everything product review on skincare and weight gain. I'm going to be showing you this product that can help you get rid of your white patches, all right? And before we go into that, I'm going to let you know the causes of white patches, okay? The major causes of white patches. One causes of white patches is if you have a dry skin and your dry skin is not properly moisturized, you can have a white patches. I'm going to be putting up the picture of the white patches you can get from a dry skin, all right, when your skin is not properly moisturized. And the second causes of white patches is chemical reaction, okay, when your body is reacting to a chemical from a skincare product, either from your moisturizer or from your soap or from your toner, whatever you've used. If it is if the chemical is not good for your skin, you're going to break out white patches. And one thing about this white patches is that it spreads on your body. If you don't treat it in time, it is going to spread on your body. Some people get these white patches on their face, some get it on their back, some get it on their leg, on their thighs, any part of your body you can get these white patches from. And if not properly handled, it is going to spread. And we all know how embarrassing it is when you have white patches on your body. The first product I'm going to be showing you that would help you treat your white patches is your tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, this tea tree oil in my hand is small but mighty, believe me. This tea tree oil is going to help you get rid of your white patches. And how you're going to, this tea tree oil is an essential oil. It's an essential oil that helps you deal with white patches and many other skin problems. All right. How you're going to make use of this tea tree oil, because it's an essential oil, you don't need to rub it or apply it directly on your skin because it might irritate your skin, all right, especially when it is on your face. You don't use it directly on your face so it doesn't worsen your problem. How you're going to make use of this is you're going to use it with coconut oil or neem oil. This is neem oil. My neem oil is already finished. Okay, neem oil is not only good for your hair growth or hair treatment, it's also good for white patches. Okay, so how you're going to apply this both product on the affected area is you're going to drop your neem oil on your palm, and after dropping it on your palm, then use about 2 to 3 drops of your tea tree oil, add it with the neem oil on your palm, you massage together and you apply on your body. Note, if you are sensitive and probably you have the white patches on your face, I'll advise you not to apply the tea tree oil too much because at times we react to tea tree oil. Make sure your neem oil or your coconut oil is much, then you apply it on that area where you have your white patches. You do this regularly, morning and night, and your white patches is going to gradually fade off. I'm not going to tell you it's going to fade up overnight or within 3 days or 1 week. You have to have patience, gradually treat it, especially when you notice it, treat it immediately. Another product you can use to treat your white patches is Keturah. I'm going to be leaving the picture up on the screen. This Keturah can help you get rid of your white patches. All you need to do is to apply it in the area, massage it deeply into the area, morning and night. And please, when doing all this, make sure you always moisturize your skin properly. Okay, moisturize your skin properly when doing this, or after moisturizing your skin with your moisturizer, your lotion, all you do is to apply this tea tree oil on the affected area. Do it morning and night. Please always take your bath morning and night so you can follow this process. The third thing you can use on your to get rid of your white patches is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has great properties in it. Okay, it also helps in moisturizing your skin. All right, you apply your aloe vera gel on that area. Okay, now you can also use your keturah and your aloe vera gel at same time. Okay, because using your aloe vera gel alone is going to really give you a slow process. That is just the truth. It's going to give you a slow process in healing your white patches. So if you are using your aloe vera gel and your keturah, what you are going to do is you apply your aloe vera gel on the area, you massage it into your skin, allow the aloe vera gel dry up, then after the aloe vera gel, you apply your keturah on it. Okay, you apply it, massage it into your skin, apply it on it, and allow to sink into your skin before putting on your clothes. Probably you have someone to go into massage it very well before putting on your clothes. Okay, your aloe vera gel. So guys, these are the things you can use to treat your white patches. And please, once you discover you have white patches on your skin, stop whatever products you are using. That is a clear sign that the chemical in that product is higher than your skin. You have to drop it. Mostly those organic products, please be very careful. Don't use them. Immediately you find out that you're reacting, you're having white patches, stop that product you're using, discontinue it, don't use it again. All right. And when you are, after you discontinue that product, you get a mild soap. If it is a soap that you're reacting to, you get a very mild soap. Don't use any whitening soap, don't use any clearing soap, don't use anything, just use a mild soap. And if it's a moisturizer, please discontinue it. Get a moisturizer that is so plain, not a whitening moisturizer, not a clearing moisturizer, a clean, a soft moisturizer like Nivea is a very plain moisturizer. Okay, use a very plain moisturizer. Or if you're scared, I would even recommend you use these baby lotions. Okay, if it's from a lotion you have the reaction. All right, thank you so very much for staying tuned till now. Thank you. Please do me well, subscribe to my channel. If you find this video interesting, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification so you can always get notified when next we drop a new video. Don't forget, give this video a like, share this video so that others can see it. Anyone battling with white patches caused by product, okay? Share this video to them so it can be helpful to them. And don't forget, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know where you're watching us from. Let us know if you've had white patches before and how you fight it, or let us know if you're going to try this out. Thank you very much for staying tuned now. Bye bye.